In today's video, I am going to teach you how to improve your aim in Valorant. Updated 2026 guide. The first thing you want to do is go into the practice range. This is where you will build the foundation of your aim. Start with the bot practice and focus only on clean headshots. Do not rush at the beginning. Your goal here is to build control and consistency before you try to build speed. As you begin, keep your crosshair at head level and move it with purpose. Take one shot at a time and make each shot deliberate. If you miss, reset and focus on the next target. This early stage is all about accuracy. You want to teach your hand to make the correct movement again and again. Once you can hit those headshots consistently at a slow pace, begin increasing your speed. Do not jump straight into flicking wildly. Gradually make the transition from slow and controlled shots into faster and more confident shots. This helps build reliable muscle memory. Over time, your hand will start recognizing the distance and movement needed to land those shots more naturally. At this point, your raw aim will start improving, but there is one more part that many players overlook. You also need to connect your aim with your movement. In Valorant, if you are moving while firing, your shots will be inaccurate. That means your positioning and your timing matter just as much as your crosshair placement. When you strafe to the left or right, always make sure you counter-strafe before you shoot. If you move left, tap right to stop your movement. If you move right, tap left to stop your movement. This allows your character to become accurate before the shot is fired. It is a small mechanic, but it makes a huge difference in real fights. Practice this slowly at first. Strafe, stop, fire, strafe, stop, fire. Keep repeating that pattern until it feels natural. Once you are comfortable, combine it with the headshot drills in the range. This will train both your accuracy and your movement together, which is exactly what you need in actual matches. The key is consistency. Do this every day, even if it is only for a short session. Slow headshots, controlled speed, and proper counter-strafing will build better habits over time. If you stay disciplined with this routine, your aim will become sharper, cleaner, and much more reliable in game. That covers everything you need to know.